Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a 404 page not found error in your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify account and click on Content right here on the left panel. Then click on Menus. So for example, the 404 error problem is in the contact page of your store. So let's just click this main menu icon right here, since that's where the contact page is. And then click on this pencil icon right here. And you have to make sure that you are redirecting your customers to the correct contact page. And then just click on this check icon once you're done and click on the save icon once you're done editing. Another way is by clicking on the URL redirects right up here, and then just click on create URL redirect. So for example, a common problem when going to the contact page is forgetting the letter T at the end of the word contact. So let's go to the contact page and then let's just copy the link up here. And then let's paste it right here in this redirect from bar. And then let's remove the last letter T right there. And then here in the redirect to bar, just paste there the correct link. See, this one has the letter T in it. And then let's just click on save redirect. So now when people search for the contact page with the correct link, so let's just paste the correct link right there, they will go to the correct contact page. And if they accidentally not include the last letter T, they will still be redirected to the correct contact page. And that is how you can fix the 404 page not found error in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.